Have you ever considered pursuing a career in the rewarding field of manufacturing? The field of manufacturing offers a host of advantages and opportunities. Opportunities that include competitive pay compensation, career growth and advancement, job security, and benefits such as health insurance and retirement plans. Whether you're interested in automation, robotics, or product design, or perhaps you like to work with your hands, the rewarding field of manufacturing helps communities and future generations thrive. So are you ready to roll up your sleeves and become a part of a global industry? An industry where with the right skills and attitude, you can find success and a sense of pride, knowing that you can make a living creating something tangible with your own hands, as we do here at East West, where we design, manufacture, and deliver products and services vital to aircrew safety and survival. To learn more about who we are, what we do, and what it takes to become a part of the exciting and rewarding field of modern manufacturing, contact us today to schedule an on-site facility tour.